CWS, in one word, I can say home, my home. My name is Jorge Garcia, and I work for Marquis of State Thomas. I started working at retail stores. I wanted something different. I was looking for a new challenge. CWS has a great training department. I wanted to learn everything, and I explained to them what was my goal. I said, if I need to go to school to learn, I'll go to school. So CWS helped me out to get my certification, helped me out paying half of my school. When I got my certification, I was so excited. CWS makes me feel successful. They take care of you. CWS offers opportunities to everybody that wants to be successful. They took the time to give me the tools and the training.
Perfect. Got it? We're good. Got everything. Yeah. Awesome.